Alright, so here today we're going to take a look at using the calculator to find the equation of an exponential function given some coordinates, okay, called an exponential regression. Okay, so I'm going to start out with just 2 points here. I have an x and y coordinate and another x and y coordinate. This can be given in a table with a lot of values. It's really going to be done the exact same way though. Okay, so for this process, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take those 2 coordinates and I'm going to go into my calculator, out here. And I'm going to go under Stat, right up here next 2 buttons over from the alpha, okay? And I'm going to edit. Okay? I already have stuff in these lists, so I'm going to clear this stuff out. So remember, to clear a list, go up and highlight the name, hit clear, and then hit enter. Okay? Remember, don't push the delete button because that gets rid of the whole list there. Okay, so let's go ahead and clear that out. And do the same thing there. And so here I'm just going to go ahead and put in those 2 coordinate pairs that I had there. So the first x value was 2, and the second x value was 3. Okay. And then I'll use my arrow to go over to the next column, and I'll type in the corresponding x value. So I had a 24, and I had a 144. Okay. And so we're going to get our calculator to do all the work for us, and we did the stuff by hand in class, but here we'll take a look at it in the calculator. So what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to go back to Stat. Okay. I'm going to go over to Calculate, and if I look down this list here, I don't see it just yet, but I want to keep going until I see an exponential regression. There we go, expreg, and I hit enter on that. Okay. The default is that the x values are in list 1 and the y values are in list 2, which is how I put it. So if you don't have that, you can change it. But in this case, I'm just going to go down to the bottom, bypassing all these other things here, and just go to calculate and hit enter. Okay. And so in this problem right here, it tells us that the a value is going to be 0.6 repeating, or 2/3, and then my b value, the base of that exponential, is going to be 6, and it's done. So we can go back to what it would look like. My equation is going to be y equals to 2/3, and then the base was 6, and that's raised to the x. Okay. All right, I hope this helped.